Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to Windows 10 File Explorer. So I have Windows 11 File Explorer open right now, and here you can see a lot of options are missing. So if you want Windows 10 File Explorer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So for this, type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on Command Prompt app, and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening Command Prompt as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now copy the first command. This command is provided in the video description, so copy it. Now paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now after you hit the enter key, now open Task Manager. So make a right click on the Start menu and then click on Task Manager. Now over here you will find Windows Explorer. So you have to make a right click on Windows Explorer, then click on Restart. Now if you don't find Windows Explorer over here, in that case you can open File Explorer on your computer and then open Task Manager, and you should be able to see Windows Explorer over here. Find it in the list and then make a right click, then click on Restart. Now after the restart, now open File Explorer, and here you can see you have Windows 10 File Explorer open. Now in future, if you want Windows 11 File Explorer, in that case you can copy this command and then type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click, then click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes to allow, paste the command, hit the enter key, again open Task Manager, and then find Windows Explorer and then make a right click, then click on Restart. And now if you open File Explorer, you will get back your Windows 11 File Explorer. But I like the Windows 10 one, so I will again run this command. This is totally your choice which one you want. So I prefer the Windows 10 one. So I will just switch back to Windows 10 File Explorer. So I got the Windows 10 File Explorer. So these are the two commands. If you want to switch to Windows 10, then run this command, and if you want Windows 11 File Explorer, then run this command. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.